right, on to the next. This is a first time client too, referred by a day one client. Almost there. Last one of the day. We're doing an AC check and changing that oil. I've been working on this truck for a long time. Y'all want to guess how long? Like 2016. Miles on that. 341,000. Definitely gonna clean them battery terminals. Top off all the fluids that need to be topped off. It's a pretty simple procedure when it comes to changing the oil. I believe it's a 13mm bolt at the bottom. You can access the filter through the front right there. That filter is a PH2 TG2, something like that. All right, it's actually gonna be a 16mm at the bottom. All right. Perfect. This takes 7 quarts of some 5W20. With it having 341,000 miles, I typically add like a 530. Looks pretty good overall. Definitely needed to be changed. The filter's right there. So I'm gonna let this drain out, top it off, and then we're gonna check this AC out. All right, added the 7 quarts. We're gonna clean these battery terminals up. Oof, terrible. All right, good to go. Got the AC code. It was a little low. With it having over 340,000 miles, it's definitely gonna have some leaks somewhere. This just needed to be topped off with some Freon. All right, and reset that oil light on here. You just put the key on, engine off, and hit the gas pedal 3 times. And that should clear it.